Ever wondered how that big box in your kitchen keeps your food cold? Get ready for a cool journey into the science of refrigeration. Your refrigerator is actually a sophisticated heat pump, working 24/7 to keep your food fresh. But how exactly does it work? Let's break it down. Inside your fridge is a fascinating cycle that's constantly moving heat from the inside to the outside. It all starts with a special refrigerant, a substance that can easily change between liquid and gas states. This refrigerant is the unsung hero of your kitchen. The process begins when the refrigerant in gas form gets compressed by the compressor. Think of it like squeezing a balloon. When you compress the gas, it gets hot. This hot, high-pressure gas then flows into the condenser coils, those black coils usually found at the back of your fridge. Here's where the first bit of magic happens. As the hot gas flows through these coils, it releases heat into your kitchen and cools down enough to transform into a liquid. But we're not done yet. This liquid refrigerant then passes through an expansion valve. Here's where things get really interesting. The valve creates a sudden drop in pressure, causing the liquid to expand rapidly. Remember how compressing the gas made it hot? Well, the opposite happens here. As the liquid expands, it becomes super cold. This cold refrigerant then flows into the evaporator coils inside your fridge. As warm air from your food touches these cold coils, the refrigerant absorbs the heat and turns back into a gas. This is how heat is removed from inside your fridge, keeping your food cool. The cycle continues as the gas returns to the compressor to start the process all over again. But your refrigerator is even smarter than you might think. It has a thermostat that monitors the temperature inside. When it gets too warm, the cycle kicks into action. When it's cold enough, it takes a break. Pretty cool, right? The door of your fridge plays a crucial role too. Those magnetic seals around the edge, they create an airtight barrier that keeps the cold air in and the warm air out. And those drawers and compartments aren't just for organization. They're designed to create different temperature zones for different types of food. Now you know why opening the door too often makes your fridge work harder. You're letting all that carefully cooled air escape. The next time you grab a cold drink or some fresh vegetables, remember the amazing science happening inside your refrigerator. It's constantly working through this cycle, using the principles of thermodynamics to keep your food fresh and your drinks cold. Isn't it amazing how something we use every day relies on such fascinating science? Thanks for joining me on this cool journey through your refrigerator. If you enjoyed learning about how things work, don't forget to like and subscribe for more scientific explanations of everyday objects.